Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making Dr. Pepper chili. What all goes into the Dr. Pepper chili? 1 pound lean ground beef, 1 cup diced onion, 1/2 cup diced red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 can or 12 ounces of Dr. Pepper. They say regular Dr. Pepper is better than the diet. I drink diet, so I didn't want to buy a single can, so I did find this, which was cheaper than the 20 ounce. 1 14-ounce can fire roasted tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 can kidney beans drained and rinsed, and top it with whatever you would like. We like sour cream, cheese, and Fritos. So let's begin. All right, so take a large skillet. I'm just going to be using a pot because it's going to be chili. Put in your 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat. Take a wooden spoon or one of your little meat choppers and cut up your meat. And cook that until about halfway done. All right, so it does look like it's about halfway done. There's about half of it is still slightly pink. Then add your 1 cup of chopped onion and your 1/2 cup chopped red bell pepper, and continue cooking that until the vegetables are tender and the meat is done. All right, so the meat is finished cooking and the onions and the red peppers are softened. If you have excess grease, drain that with a spoon. Mine's not that bad. I did drain a little bit, but I'm going to leave the rest of it in there just for some flavor. Then add your 2 tablespoons chili powder, your 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and cook 30 seconds while stirring. Then add your 1 cup of chicken broth, your 12 ounces of Dr. Pepper, your 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes, your 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, your 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and your 4 finely diced chipotle peppers. Stir that to mix well. Simmer that until it gets to the thickness that you like. So after you got it to your desired consistency, add your drained and rinsed kidney beans and stir that in. And let's get ready to serve. So this is the way we like our chili. We put some Fritos in the bottom of the bowl. And then we scoop the chili on. Oh, and I made a mess. And with the magic of editing, no mess. Then we add some cheese, and we have sharp cheddar here, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you'd like. And a dollop of sour cream. So here is the Dr. Pepper chili. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks like chili.
It is Dr. Pepper chili.
Oh, smells like chili. I don't know if it smells like Dr. Pepper. Well, it must smell like Dr. Pepper chili because it is Dr. Pepper chili, right?
Right.
Okay.
Logical thinking.
Well, it smells good. That's good. I don't know that I taste any Dr. Pepper. Nothing jumps out at me, but that's very good chili. Whatever else is in there, I like it a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.